Class 4, Chapter 4, India, the Peninsular Plateau. A plateau is an elevated flat land. यानी कि उठा हुआ एक flat land है. It is flat top tableland standing on a raised surface. The height of the plateau often varies from place to place. यानी कि थोड़ा सा उठा हुआ है, जैसे आप पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं उठा हुआ है, बट एक फ्लैट लैंड है. तो ये एक टेबल की तरह होती है, ऊंची बट ऊपर से फ्लैट होती है. पर हर जगह की जो प्लेट्यू है वो वेरी करती है उसकी जगह के हिसाब से. टू द साउथ नॉर्दर्न प्लेन लाई द एक्सटेंसिव पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू. मतलब साउथ नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स की तरफ टू द साउथ जाएंगे. नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स जो है एक्सटेंसिव पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यूज हैं. दिस प्लेट्यू इज़ कवरिंग नियरली हाफ ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ इंडिया. यानी कि ये जो है आधी इंडिया इन्होंने घेर रखी है. This plateau is covering nearly half of the area of India. It is triangular in shape with a broad base in the north and the narrow apex in the south. यानी कि triangular shape में है. You can see on the map something like this. और means it's saying कि ये north में है और narrow apex है south में. देखिए narrow apex है south में. The Peninsular Plateau is made up of ancient igneous and metamorphic rock. It is the oldest part of the Indian subcontinent. This plateau is divided by the Narmada River into two parts, its central highland and Deccan Plateau. The boundary between these two units is formed by the Vindhya Range. यानी कि विंध्या रेंज की वजह से यहाँ पर एक बाउंड्री बनी हुई है. Central highland, the part of the Peninsular Plateau lying to the north of the Narmada River, covering a major area of the Malwa Plateau, is known as the Central Highland. यानी कि पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू जो है नॉर्थ की तरफ नर्मदा रिवर जो है कवर करते हैं उसके मेजर एरिया द मालवा प्लेट्यू जिन्हें कहा जाता है सेंट्रल हाईलैंड. इट बाउंड्रीज बाय द अरावली रेंज इन द वेस्ट एंड द विंध्या रेंज इन द साउथ. यानी कि बाउंड्री है इसकी अरावली रेंज वेस्ट में और साउथ में विंध्या रेंज है. अरावली रेंज इज़ वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट माउंटेन रेंज इन द वर्ल्ड. It is the east. The Malwa Plateau extend up to the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Malwa Plateau is drained by the river Chambal, Sindh, Sand and Damodar. Now, Chambal and Betwa river join the river Yamuna, while the Sand river join the river Ganga. Chota Nagpur Plateau covers Jharkhand, western Odisha and the northern eastern Chhattisgarh. These regions are full of minerals such as coal, bauxite and mica. Deccan Plateau, part of the Peninsular Plateau extending to south of the Vindhya Range, is called the Deccan Plateau. यानी कि Peninsular Plateau जो साउथ की तरफ विंध्या रेंज से जुड़ा हुआ है उसे डेक्कन प्लेट्यू कहते हैं. The highest peak of the Peninsular region, Anaimulli, 2695 meter above the sea level, is situated in the state of Kerala. केरला में है Anaimulli. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the western and the eastern Ghat. These Ghat meet each other at the Nilgiri Hills. यानी कि ये दोनों घाट जो है नीलगिरी हिल से मिलते हैं. टू द साउथ और सतपुरा रेंज फ्लो द तापी रिवर. लाइक नर्मदा दिस रिवर ऑल्सो फ्लो इनटू द अरेबियन सी. बोथ नर्मदा एंड तापी डू नॉट फॉर्म एनी डेल्टा. मतलब इन दोनों किसी भी तरह का डेल्टा नहीं बनाती. अदर मेजर रिवर ऑफ द डेक्कन प्लेट्यू इंक्लूडिंग द महानदी, गोदावरी, कृष्णा एंड कावेरी रिवर फ्लो इनटू द बे ऑफ बंगाल. All these rivers take their delta near the coast. The Godavari is the longest river of Deccan Plateau. Is also known as the दक्षिण गंगा. यानी कि गोदावरी जो है एक longest river है डेक्कन प्लेट्यू की और इसे दक्षिण गंगा भी कहा जाता है. The lifestyle and the culture of the people in the plateau region is very interesting and unique. You will find out about the clothing they wear, food they eat, the housing and the celebration they have. These are incredible. Region covers the state of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. अब आगे हम इन्हीं के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. पहला है मध्य प्रदेश. दिस इज सेंट्रल लोकेटेड स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया. सेंट्रल लोकेटेड स्टेट है. भोपाल इज़ द कैपिटल. इसका कैपिटल जो है भोपाल है. अदर बिग सिटीज़ लाइक ग्वालियर, इंदौर एंड जबलपुर इसमें आते हैं. ओके. पंचमढ़ी इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल हिल स्टेशन. द कानस नेशनल पार्क एंड द Bandhavargarh National Park are the Tiger Reserve. Tiger Reserve है. Chandela Dynasty Temple of Khajuraho are also famous. Panna and the diamond mines. Wheat and cotton are the main crop grown in this region. Now, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh lie in the southern of the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Raipur is the capital city. Major crop grow here: rice, linseed, betel and watermelon. Bhilai is the famous of this steel plant. Coal, iron and manganese are mined here. यहाँ पे ये mine किए जाते हैं. Jharkhand, it is a rich in the mineral and the forest resources. Ranchi is the capital. Many big industries are located here due to plenty of resources like iron, coal and manganese. Other big cities are Jamshedpur, Bokaro and Dhanbad. Damodar and Subarnikha are the famous river. ये यहाँ की फेमस रिवर है. द स्टेट प्रोसेसेस प्लेंटी ऑफ मिनरल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कोल, आयरन एंड मैग्नीज. ऑल मिनरल आर माइंड हेयर, यानी कि यहाँ पे भी ये वाले जो मिनरल हैं माइन किए जाते हैं. ओडिशा इज सिचुएटेड इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू. भुवनेश्वर इज द कैपिटल ऑफ सिटी ऑफ Odisha. Cuttack is the main industrial city. Puri has many temples. Annual Rath Yatra of Puri is very famous. Pradeep is the only port belonging to Odisha. Okay, agriculture is the mainstay of economic, and jute are the main crop. Odisha is famous for its textile and silver work. Odisha is the popular classical dance of Odisha. Indian Odissi जो है यहाँ का popular dance है. Maharashtra is the place of a plateau. Its western upturned rim rising the form of a Sahyadri range parallel to the western sea coast and is slope gently descending toward the east and the south east. The river Godavari and Krishna flow through the state. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. Lava soil of Maharashtra is good for growing cotton, sugarcane, groundnut and miles. Fruit like mango, orange and banana are also grow in this state. Men mostly wear a shirt and dhoti while women wear sari. People speak Marathi. The main festival are Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri, Diwali and Christmas. Lavani is a folk dance. Important tourist center of the state are Ajanta Ellora, Elephanta, Mahabaleshwara, Materna, Panchgani, Kaneri and Kala caves. Karnataka. To the south of Maharashtra lies Karnataka. This state has very old history. Bangalore, erstwhile Bangalore, is the capital of the state. Karnataka has been in the forefront of information technology. Other big cities are Mysore, Hubli, Bijpur, Dharwad. The river Krishna, Tungabhadra and Kaveri flow through the state. Most of the people of the state are farmers. They grow cotton, sugarcane and coffee, spice and jowar. The forests are full of teak and sandalwood trees. The people of the state speak Kannada. Men usually wear a lungi and shirt, while women wear colorful silk sari. Handicraft items made up of sandalwood are very famous. Tourism is a famous. Karnataka, one state, many world, is becoming the hub of tourist attraction of South India. The state is known as its heritage, monument and ecotourism destination. Now Andhra Pradesh is bound on the north by Odisha and Chhattisgarh. On the west, Maharashtra and the Karnataka are the south of Tamil Nadu, and on the east by the Bay of Bengal. After the purification of a state with Telangana, Hyderabad will remain common capital of not more than 10 years. After the Amravati has been proposed as new state capital, people mainly depend on agriculture. They grow rice, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane and groundnut. The state is largest producer of tobacco in India. People mostly speak Telugu. Urdu is also spoken in Hyderabad. Kuchipudi is the most popular dance. Andhra Pradesh is famous for beadry work or brass and copper. Charminar and the Salarganj Museum are the popular tourist attraction. The Venkateshwar Temple at Tirupati is a famous pilgrimage center. Tamil Nadu is bounded on the north of Andhra Pradesh and the Karnataka, on the west by Kerala, on the east by the Bay of Bengal, on the south by the Indian Ocean. It is famous for temples. The main temple town is Madurai, Tanjore, Tiruchirappalli, Kanchipuram, Chennai, and the capital city of the state also has many temples. The state is also famous for silk sari. Kanchipuram and Madurai are the main center of silk weaving. Farming is the main economic activity. Rice, sugarcane, cotton and groundnut are the main crop. Tea and coffee are grown along with the slope of Nilgiri hills. Bharatanatyam is the most popular dance. Tamil is the main language. Pongal is the most popular festival. People eat rice, idli, dosa, upma, sambar and curd. Major tourist centers are Malalpuram, Kanchipuram, Rameshwaram, Chidambaram, Ooty and many other places. So this is all for this chapter. We'll be meet soon.